We're gonna target a few of those too. The bass don't cooperate. Oh, I missed him. That was a good one. All right, I'll come back for you. Didn't have it hooked. I set the hook too soon. Right there. See if he'll come back for it. He did. Got him. That's a good one too. And quit jumping. He's in the stuff. I knew it'd be a good day for a frog bite. Oh yeah, nice fish. Yes sir. It's a nice bass. Big ol' head. He came back for it. He might be post spawn. Cool. The one I just missed. You bet. That's a nice fish. Good picture of him. We'll let him go. See you, buddy. Appreciate it. Oh, I missed you. I wasn't even paying attention. There was another one there. He might come back. I don't think I got him hooked. Oh, if I kind of felt him, he might not come back. Shoot. I really wasn't even paying attention. Come up and hit it. Give it a couple more shots. There he is. He drilled it. Holy hell. About blasting my rod out of hand. He'd come back for it. Yes, sir. Key number 2. Not very big one, but he sure is angry. He killed that frog. That's a cool bite. Not a big one at all, but he drilled it. See you, bud. The old senko. He ain't a big one by no means, but we got him. Calm down. There we go. Calm down. Fat. Come on, ate the senko. Hoping for it. I knew there was one there somewhere. See you, bud. Oh, there was one right there. Okay, we'll go back right there. Back right there. Oh, hit on this. It dropped. Oh, it lost it. Dang it. You're liking the old senko. Went to the wacky rig senko. I need to probably go a bigger hook. This hook ain't really big. Well, we gotta wrap this up. We gotta get to work. Ended up with 3, missed 2. Better than nothing. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get to 150. Doing that giveaway at 150. So we will catch y'all next time.